Wa fer y fawn reis. Fa iatio. Fa iatio. Fa jew. Se jew hwan o'ch o fawn. Fa byw eich yna gysgroich yn o'ch. Fyga giasgoch chwtio. Wa giasgoch. Agus sy'n ba sy'n o few chwan i sy'n. Ach fa fen mi fo hwan fysoch. Mae un na si yn. Fa dy gwtch na byw eich yn hwa. Fa hwmac o rwy. Na si yn fa rwy as a dios. Arwach hwmac eisiau si yn go rwy. Agus fa dy gwtch na byw eich yn. Agus ach o wa fa sio. Fa mwy giasgoch. Hannig y bod yn o'ch bri a fa sio hannig i gonfad. Agus o hwy a fel. Siaras o hwy sy'n eisiau. Mi eisiau fwy sy'n fara. O fo fa o amsach iawn. Mach o a bri ni. Agus o hwy sy'n eisiau. Gas y bi haw sanen amach. Ha mi eisiau cwma ffyrstoch. A is ac am I poel y môr na chlis agos. Wel, hwysyd yn dwan o'ch rys, rysio. Gyda na si yn eich fa gafodricioch. Fwy gada gwtch na bewich yn hwy. Wel, hwysyd rys. Wel, eisiws y galiawr, dy lysio chochio sa fatyn. Eisiws y pawch fod a lysio chochio. Biwchas chwmac o rwys, a ys y si yn eich. Agus o fa sy'n ba. Gawafis. Agus hannig ag ys y wan y fa, diolch. Rwy'n a pawch fod a lysio chochio. Fa gaich y sy'n fa. Agus y nwych a fa sy'n. I o haid a mach i yn nwyach fa si yn y mwys greu mec i teg yn y mos. Yw si y ber o fec o cwtioch. Agus fa doch a gwtch. A chomach o hwca as a jewy. Agus hafal a fo. A chomach o rwy. I nis o choch gyda gyda o. Agus y wan y fa iach a giasgoch. Sa hannig y fwyd sy'n fawr ac yn fad. Agus Gwainach i gael yma y hwy yw i'ch newid. O, am I ffenig newid edrych gael yn ish. Hamol I fast y roed. Di o I dy hagus. Agus fa dywsan achos agus hwsiar eisiau fwy sy'n fawr. E ti tiw gan fad o. Biw ti gan fad. Ys wisio y brwyn o'n cael siair. O, harach i gan fad I ti. Harach o. Agus a tienta gan y gafad tyf. Nach da di gofad. Ach a wan y fad. Roedd a pos fod a lysio holl. Swca lysio. Cwn fad doch I asgoch. Dy hannig y fwy sy'n fawr ac yn fad. Sy fad y brwyn. Agus hwca spen fwrdd dy an lysio. Agus hwca gan fwy sy'n fawr. Lysio holl. Agus chwysio bi o holl. Isio fawr o che. Roedd a hyn sy'n chwmach o che. Agus o gafyd nierach. So sy'n eich. O fawr sfwyl ag a dwy o mach o hwn o rwyd. Ach a dwy o mach che fa minig I gyfeg wysyn y nwy'n. Sy'n gael fi. O gwiesio. Wysyn y nwy'n. A dwy o mach ni am tiw o mas a wysyn y nwy'n. Rwy'n man am darna. Well, sy'n ac at y go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, well I'll try to put a little translation on that. I hope I can remember it all. There was a fella from this area. His name was Woden, and he was a very good farmer, but he was also a fisherman. And on this particular day, Woden was out fishing in his boat, and up to the boat came a mermaid. And the mermaid and Woden got along pretty good, and they were chatting away, and she said to him, you know, she said, I know a whole lot of things in this world. She said, I have vast knowledge, and I know a lot of things that you probably don't know. And well, Woden was having a problem. I think I might have left this out. Was having a problem with the fairies, and the fairies were stealing his cattle. So he asked her what might be the remedy for the fairies stealing my cattle. And she said, well, that's easy enough. Just make a nice big pot of oatmeal in the morning and eat your oatmeal in the morning, and you'll grow just as fast and as strong as the fairies. So sure enough, that's what he did. And the night came where the fairy came, and he had taken a hold of one of his cattle, one of the best cattle that he had, and he was taken off with the cattle, and oh, what an out he went, and he got a hold of the cow, and he saved the cow. Well, he was pretty proud of himself, and he was very delighted from the good advice that the mermaid had told him. So he went out in the boat, and he was chatting to her about this, and he decided to ask her to come into the boat. He liked her so much. Why don't you just come into the boat with me? But no, she wouldn't come into the boat. So he was a little disappointed, and he went home that night, and he got an idea. He thought to himself, I know what I'll do. I'll make a nice big pot of oatmeal, and I'll take that out with me, and maybe she'll like that, and maybe she'll get in the boat, maybe. And so that was okay, and he took the pot of oatmeal out, and she came up to the boat, and he gave her a big spoonful of the oatmeal, and she burnt her mouth. He burnt her mouth with the hot oatmeal. And she got mad, and she turned away, and as she was swimming away, she said, well, I guess you thought you knew everything, but I never told you about the meaning of the egg water, whether it's good or bad. A bit of a cliffhanger.